That if you don't know where you are going, at least remember where you are coming from. Invest home. You saw how shops were burning, how things were happening. Is it ordinary? Ask yourself, I don't know. Invest in your home. Your home is your home. Your home should not only be a burial ground. After you die, they're not coming to bury your home. No. Make your investment in your home. I mean, you can make investment everywhere, which is good. But your core investment should be in your home. That's my opinion about investment. You understand? That this is where I'm coming from. This is where my investment are. These are my people. You understand? Because like I've always been saying, Nigeria is just a geographical entity. It's a country. It's not a nation. You are still going to be referred as where you come from. First is first. I saw the videos on Twitter. It was as a result of noise pollution. You understand? And there is a Lasepa, which is good. Yeah, because we saw it was around 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. in the midnight, and we saw noise from that is it club or lounge. From he owns it, and then we saw that people cannot even sleep in the neighborhood. Then, which is very good. So the government coming out to clamp down those things are very good, and you have to say it. His own will not be the first. We saw, for example, this Obama too. His own club too was shut down before it was later reopened. So I think that if you miss the criteria and the conditions of the Lagos State government, it will definitely be reopened. But like I've already said, you cannot be living in a lawless society. Nobody should be above the law. That irrespective of who you are, your state in society, and no matter how powerful you think you are, nobody should be above the law. But that's an aside. The other side is that people saying that he's saying insecurity in the east made him bring his business to the west. Like I've been saying, every region have their own challenges. That you must not try to gaslight of people or try to bring out people because of something. There are insecurities everywhere. Nowhere is 100% secure in Nigeria, but there are levels to it. You understand? And like I've been hearing that he also has another business in the east. So how have the security affected his business? So this will be very, very careful. You cannot play with your tribe or gaslight your tribe because of you are seeking favor from people. Whether I like it or not, he will still be referred as an Igbo man. That's the truth. If you like, take all your business to a new place. You are going to be called an Igbo man. That is the thing. Well, it is the truth. People should always have that understanding. If I will have a business, I would like to have my business in my own place. You understand? Many people are making that mistake, but some people are beginning to realize that it's a mistake. You cannot be having your business outside your region. No matter how you bring development to any region, you will still be regarded as a foreigner in that place. So no matter how you try to how do I put it? You try to join with them, try to play with them, as he going to call him, you are an Igbo person. So that should serve as a lesson to others. You are from a region, you should not. You can make investment, but your core investment should be in that place where you come from. You don't know tomorrow. So you understand? I've always advocated for people not to forget their roots. You must always remember where you come from. That's the most important thing in life. You must always remember. You should remember in your mind, your spirit and your soul, this is where I am coming from. Like I always say, my father always tell me that if you don't know where you are going, at least remember where you are coming from. Invest home. You saw how shops were burning, how things were happening. Is it ordinary? Ask yourself, I don't know. Invest in your home. Your home is your home. Your home should not only be a burial ground. After you die, they're not coming to bury your home. No. Make your investment in your home. I mean, you can make investment everywhere, which is good, but your core investment should be in your home. That's my opinion about investment. You understand? that this is where I'm coming from. This is where my investment are. These are my people. You understand? Because like I've always been saying, Nigeria is just a geographical entity. It's a country. It's not a nation. You are still going to be referred as where you come from. Oh, this man is or something. So till tomorrow. So if you have money, invest in your home. Even if I travel anywhere I am, I always invest as a Yoruba person in Yoruba land. That is me. Your investment must be your home. You see the Malams. No, the outside people, not the Malams. Invest, no matter how rich they are building houses in their home. You think that they are fools? They are not fools. They are investment because you cannot attack them from there. But yeah, shop has born, 100 shop born, 50 shop born. Is it ordinary? No, let us think about it. Nobody can threaten you when you have investment in your home. You have been seeing different threats and everything. Oh, I'll do this. But because my investment in my home, you can't do anything. You can only say, I take my bag, I go back. You understand? So it's as simple as that. So people like that, those people like that, they should always think home. Remember where you are coming from. Remember. Don't forget. Don't lose yourself. The Indians, the Chinese, the Lebanese, they always remember their roots and where they come from. Last week we were there and a man, he said he's a pastor. So I saw him, I greeted him. How are you, sir? And I told him, sir, you're a Biafra. He said no. He said that he's not a Biafra. He said, you're an Igbo man. I said yes. You're a Biafra. That is, he said no. I'm a child of God. I said no. You're a child of God in the spiritual sense, but you have your roots, you have your origin. But in the same vein, if I say Yoruba man, I greet him. How are you? I always tell them, you're a Yoruba man, you are Oduduwa. Some of them, some of them will say no. Some of them. So that's the same thing I do with Igbo people. You're a Biafran. Outside me, you're Ariwa. That's why I tell. That is who you are. That is your spirit, your soul. I tell the man, you're a Biafran. I said no. I'm not a Biafran. No, I'm a child of God. I said I don't understand. Yes, you're a child of God. But he said no. I belong to Jesus. And I told him, even Jesus, they call him Jesus of Nazareth. That means Jesus has where he comes from. That's an origin. Nobody will say Jesus of Abeokuta. It's not possible. Because I'm from Abeokuta. Nobody can say, oh, Jesus of Abeokuta. I say Jesus of Nazareth. Not Jesus of Egba. God bless you. Not Jesus of Egba. God bless you. Not Jesus of Egba land. Jesus of Egba. No. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. A Nazarene. When the Igbo man said, I'm a pastor, I'm a child of God, I'm a child of Jesus. You don't belong to Jesus. You're a Biafra man. So that is your core root. That is who you are. That's where your strength lies. In your Biafran origin. In remembering, is until you know your origin, that you can remember the son and daughter of whom you are. You must always trace your root back to your origin. Nobody, you didn't just spring up like a tree. No, you grew up from somewhere. So in remember your ancestors. You all have ancestors. We all have ancestors. Like it or not. You understand? So now religion can make us forget where we come from and because we use it. But now, ordinarily, we knew how we grew up. You understand? Now, a man can be a Muslim and change to a Christian. A man can be a Christian and change to a Muslim. Even the political party. A man can be APC, it can be PDP, it can be Labour Party, it can be ABGA. But no man can change his ancestors. Nothing can make me become an Igbo person. Nothing in this life. Even in the same Yoruba, nothing can make me become an Ijebu person. I'm an Egba person. I'm a Yoruba person. Nothing can make an Hausa man becomes a Kalabari man. Nothing can make a Fulani man become an Indoma man. That one can never be changed. Religion can be changed, political party can be changed, profession can be changed, but you cannot change your origin. So when you remember your origin, that I'm coming from somewhere, that will give you that mind to trace your root back. We saw celebrities, they are coming out to trace their roots. Bishop T.D. Jakes came to trace his roots. He said it. Bishop T.D. Jakes, he said it. Yes, he came out to trace his roots. That he has Igbo ancestry. He said it by himself. Some of them, many big people, celebrities, especially the black people, are coming back to trace their ancestry. Do you understand? But when you forget yourself, you don't even know your direction. You go here today, you go here tomorrow, you go here today, all because of what you are going to eat. You are denying yourself of whom God has created you to be. I know. Don't call me a Biafra. No. No, I'm ashamed. Don't call me a Biafra. Leave them. Because of what you are going to eat. There was an argument the other day. All of us were here. Now, I didn't even want to. I'm not part of the argument. Then the man said, I'm an Equerry, but he said it by himself. What's your name? He said, my name is Chigoze, but I'm not an Igbo man. I said, I ordinarily, well, then they were arguing back and forth because ordinarily our newspaper stand is one of the most one of the popular, if not in Nigeria itself. Iconic. In Lagos. People come from all walks of life. Very popular. So the man came and then, my name is Chigoze, but I'm not an Igbo person, no. I'm an Equerry. Well, it's none of my concern. So they were arguing back and forth. People were arguing. I didn't. I'm not Igbo. I'm an Equerry. We are not part of Igbo people. Then I said, okay. Can I? So when argument started, I said, can I just chip in one thing? Then the man said, okay, you can say. I said, what's your name again? He said, Chigoze. Is Chigoze your Yoruba name? He said, no. Okay. Is Chigoze a Fulani name? He said, no. I said, okay. Is it a Calabari name? He said, no. Is Chigoze Idoma name? He said, no. Igala name? He said, no. So what's Chigoze? He said, we have some kind of ancestries with the Igbo people, but I said, you don't even know what you're talking about. I pity for you. You have lost. I told him, I said, if for example, you are in the north today, you are in the north, and there seems to be a clash, a violence clash, and you now come out, I not tell an Hausa man, my name is Chigoze, I'm not an Igbo person, you are gone. He said he knows. Then why you deny your ancestry? These are part of the divide and rule. That's why I always say that whoever remove history from school is wicked. People should understand where they are coming from. That's the important thing. Have that first understanding. This is where I'm coming from. Then with that, you can walk to freedom. Freedom comes from getting to know who you are. Chigoze say no. Okay, is it an Igbo name? He said no. He said no. You must know, because it was after the Civil War then the one who started, and it is where we are today, where people don't even know where they are coming from. You want to claim another person something because you want. I don't want to be seen to be part of this. These are your families. These are your ancestral lineage. This is who you are. Then question and answer arises. They ask the man, what is coming in your language? He kept on saying, and I told them, go and I'm not part of your people. Go and settle with them. I don't have time. As I was talking, then an Afa came. An Afa, and I greeted him out. A castle. Omo Odua ni Afa say no. He made Omo Odua. Not be me. I say what? You are Odua. I say no. I'm not an Odua. That is a child of the Prophet Muhammad. I say you are a fool. Are you not a Yoruba? But then you are Odua. I say no. He made Omo Odua. I made Omo Odua. Omo Odua. Omo not be me. And I told him again. Why all of you don't even know what is wrong with you? The person that you are talking about, the Prophet Muhammad, is from Mecca. Ongo Omolabawani that means he too is an Arab. He has his ancestry. I'll tell you the affair. I just spoke with somebody now that denied his ancestry. You too, you are not denying your ancestry. Olo somo Yoruba pe mi o somo Odua mo Yoruba ni mo somo Odua o ma no be lemi. Anobi go mo Mecca ni Omolabawani. He himself come from somewhere. And I told him, I said, okay, say Omo Abeokuta na no me say no. Say Omo say no. Even Omo Olaba, you yourself, where are you from? So things, you see, the moment history was removed in school, that's the moment things. Many people are just walking around aimlessly. They can't even identify themselves. It is when you know yourself that you can begin to speak, that things can even work for you. You understand? Many people don't even know themselves. They don't know themselves anymore. They don't earn anymore. Well, I'm asking a question. What will make me deny that I'm from Abeokuta, Ogun State? I'm an Egba person. What are you? What? I'm your last come here. And I'll come and say that name. For what? For what? You must be. You see the Indians. They are proud of them. They are proud of themselves. And even an Indian, somebody of Indian origin, became a British Prime Minister. Rishi Sunak. If he was a Nigerian person, he would change his name.
But do you think Cubana, made a mistake, taking some of his business to Lagos here?
You see, it is the same thing I'm talking about. Knowing exactly who you are first will give you liberation. The reason why Africa is still not yet liberated is because they don't know who they are. An Indian man bears his name. Then yeah, you see somebody. What's my name is my name is Kevin Michael. Omo Yoruba Kevin Michael. Kevin Michael, a Yoruba person. Okay, oh look on Yoruba Kevin Michael. Two foreign names. A Yoruba man, my name is Kevin Michael. You can never say a Chinese man bear two foreign names. You can never see an Indian man bear two foreign names. A Yoruba man, my name is Kevin Michael. Latibo. Omo Yoruba Kevin Michael Latibo. You understand? You must not forget your people. Where you are coming from. That's what makes you who you are. It is where you are coming from. It is recognizing I'm coming from this place that will make you to know who you are. Oh, my ancestors. Oh, this is what happened. Oh, these are my past. Because the past always has a link to the future. You understand? Your past always has a link to the future. Or start denying names. Let me give you an example. There's a girl in this a lady in this area before. She has left. You understand? Adoke her name. I saw on Facebook. She has changed her name to May. M-A-Y. I called her. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ now? Ó kọ́ change over you say Adoke is a local name. Ó kọ́ Adoke yẹn ò dá. Adoke is a local name. I've changed my name to May. I say my still up. Wait. What is the meaning of May? Àmì ò mọ̀. Ajoke called local name. Ajoke is a very local name. But I have to choose myself.
She just likes it.
No. Like it. What is the meaning of May? M-A-Y. See, I don't know. I'm just okay. What is the meaning of Ajoke? Kí ni ìtumọ̀ Ajoke? But I don't care anything about market. Okay, so you know the meaning of your name as a Yoruba lady. I change your name to a meaningless something. You understand? You can take a man out of slavery. You can't take slavery out of the man. You understand? Your ancestors, your origins must not be forgotten in anything you do in life. Let alone in business. You take all your business to one particular place. They are still those who later call you a stranger. That's the thing. This person, if all I know is a stranger, it's not our son. No, it's not son of the soil. It's as simple as that. There's unity in diversity. That's a fact. Yes. Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, Calabar, Nupe, Ijo, Isekiri. God created everybody. And like I always say, you're a human being first. Then before you become, because a goat cannot be a Yoruba, or a Hausa, or an Igbo, or Fulani, or Calabari, or Nupe, or Isekiri. A cow cannot be a Muslim, cannot be a Christian. You must be a human being first before you could belong to any tribe or any religion. But with all those things, you must not forget your ancestry. Don't forget your origin. Don't despise them. Don't call people names because of politics. You understand? Don't bring down your religion because of politics. No, no. Because at the end of the day, that is where you belong, and that is who you are, and that is where they always refer you to. That this person is from so place, and nothing can change it. Nothing can change it. Don't let anyone deceive you. Nothing. Okay. Now, what can change that I'm an Igbo person? Even if I go to London, UK, America, I'm an Igbo person. That's ancestry. Nothing can change it. You can deceive yourself 100 times. So that's the problem. So your business, your income, your capital should be mostly in your region. Then you can now say, okay, in the case of some house, you take some virtues outside. So from then, you can say, okay, let me invest a little bit outside. But your core investment will be in your backyard, I mean in your home, where you come from. That's what matters. This one is a lesson to everybody. You understand? It's a lesson. Number one, nobody is above the law. So Lagos government, in what they did, I saw the videos, they are right. They must protect the environment. Number two, to everybody that is thinking of investing, try and invest your own first. Let the investment, let it be more in your house. Then you can do some investment outside. Then with that, then you are good to go.